Hi guys, today I'm talking about how to install the massage module for Model S and X. So the installation is pretty much the same. So you have the module, you plug it here, and then you just there's a connector, a bypass. So you need to connect this to the lumbar support, like this one here. So to get started, you just pull this out. They are held just by the clips and here, and then you can see the connector in here. So you need to pull it out. After you pull it out, you just plug the bypass in here, and then the whole installation is pretty much almost done. Then you need to just wire the power, which I will talk about later. So now I have already plugged in the OEM plug into here, into the bypass, the female here, and the other end we plug back into the lumbar control. So this area is basically done, and then I will just set the module. Where's the module here? So I'll just try to stick it under the seat. Yeah. Okay, so this is the power wire that you need to run it. For Model S facelift version, there's a fuse box in the right hand side drive circuit panel. It's here. Yeah. On the Model X, it's on the left hand side near the center console. Let me try to see. So suppose this is the Model X center console. The Model X fuse box is in here. So the fuse box looks the same. So here it is. So this is where you tap the power. So from the fuse box, you can see there's a yellow. From the top is the fourth one. In my fuse diagram, it shows that this is unused, so I will try to use this one. So there's also a clamp here, so you can pull it out and use it to get the yellow fuse. Let me try. So I clamp on it and I pull it out. Yeah. And here is the power tap. So I just insert the yellow fuse back into here. Yes. And then just reinsert this into the fuse box diagram. So make sure you know which side is the hot side. The hot side goes into this side, and the other side goes into here. Yeah. So now everything is set. So let me try to explain how to use it. To use it, you use the lumbar, like, let me open the door. So you use this button. To activate, you double click the front. To stop it, you hold the down button for like half a second to a second, and you will hear a beep sound, and you will activate and stop it. So you can also set to auto activate it. So to auto activate it, you need to hold this the front button for 10 seconds. So when you hear a long beep, that means the auto setting will be set to every half hour. Yeah, and if you continue to hold it, and if you hear 2 beep, that means that you will activate like every 1 hour. So if you hear 3 beeps, that means like you will activate every 2 hours. And the longest time you can set is like when you hear 4 beeps, that means the longest time you can set is 2 hours. So if you hear 4 beeps, that means it's the auto activation will be shut down. Yeah, it will be disabled. Yeah, so this is basically how you do all the setting. So every cycle will run around like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will stop. Yeah. So this is basically how you do it. Let me try to activate it now. So I will try to double click the front button. So you can hear the sound, and then you will start.